On this episode of 1,000,001 Ways to Have Your Tigernut Mixed Milk, here we're going to be making Tigernut milk pudding. It's soft, fluffy, tender, can be used as dessert or served as snacks. We have our already extracted Tigernut mixed milk here. So we'll start by adding our Tigernut mixed milk into a pan. Then we add about half a cup of condensed milk and about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Stir it continuously so that it can dissolve without making lumps in the liquid. Then you cook on this low heat for like 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring the liquid so it won't form lump. So you keep stirring until it thickens. Once it thickens, you can mold into any shape of your choice. Now we have it thickened, so we can mold it now. Although it was almost a little bit too thick, but it's okay, it's fine. So you can mold it into any shape of your choice, then serve. Allow it to cool for like 5 to 10 minutes.